this video, I'm going to show you how you can use keywords or phrases in your templates. A reason you might want to do this is, let's say you always have a list of procedures, that you always do, and you are used to just copying and pasting the text for those procedures in your notes whenever you do each one. So you can give Deep Cura a list of procedures in your templates with a keyword or phrase that you can say during your recording, so it adds the that procedure with its corresponding text. So sort of like this. We give it an instruction to insert here any of the delta phrases that are mentioned in the transcript along with their text, and to preserve their exact text and format, right? So I have my procedure title with the keyword before it, delta nail debridement, delta AJ injection, delta depth tissue, etc., right? So let's give it a shot. What we're going to do is we want to add our template to our prompt library just so we always have it there. So all we have to do is paste it in there and save it. And we're going to start our recording. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to say the procedure and the keyword or phrase, but obviously in your case, you would have probably a whole patient encounter. And then you would say the keyword or phrase and the procedure during it. Chemical cautery and delta nail debridement. And the recording, I select my template. And once I click on my template, because it detected a recording right here, it automatically gets submitted. So that's all you have to do, just 2 clicks. And when you're using keywords or phrases, it's important that you enunciate well, just to make sure that it's really getting that's you're saying the keyword or phrase, and it doesn't get confused with something else. So as you can see here, it did exactly what we asked for. It added the chemical cautery and the nail debridement procedures. And because in my plan section, I also had another list that also had nail debridement as a title, then it added that one as well. So there you have it. That's how you can use keywords or phrases.